Hi, in this video we'll be talking about set methods. We learn how to add elements to a set, remove them, clear the whole set, and copy it. Sets are mutable, so we can add elements to them. We can only add immutable elements. We use the add method to add elements. So let's create a set first. Okay. And now let's add another element like so. And here's our set. Okay. If we try to add a mutable element like a list, we get an error. So this doesn't work. If we try to add an element which already is in the set, it will have no effect. So let's define our tree set one more time over here. And now let's try to add poplar, which already is in the set. Well, it has no effect. Poplar is of course on the ones in the set. We can also remove elements. Here we need the method discard. So let's remove oak from the tree set. Trees discard oak. And our tree set now doesn't contain oak anymore. Now, if the element we're trying to remove is not found in the set, nothing happens. Have a look at this. Here we have another set, food, and let's try to discard the element butter, which is not in the set. Nothing happens, and food is the same. There is another method, remove, that works pretty much the same as discard. The difference is that the remove method raises an error if the element is not found in the set. So if we used remove instead of discard, like so, remove butter, this time we get an error because butter is not found in the set. Then we have the method pop. It returns and removes an arbitrary element of the set. So let's define another set for this purpose, sports. And now let's use the pop method. Sports pop. Soccer. Now sports is this. This element has been removed from this set. And we can continue like so. Sports pop. Tennis. Sports pop. Baseball. Sports pop. Football. And now our sports set is an empty set. This means empty set. Now if pop is used on an empty set, an error is raised. So let's try to use the pop method one more time and we get an error because now the set is empty. If we need an immutable set, we should use a frozen set. Frozen sets don't have the methods add and discard. So let's create a frozen set. Like so. Trees equals frozen set of these elements. And now let's try to add something. Trees add error. Or let's try to discard something. Error. So these are immutable sets. We can clear a set. We need the method clear. What we get is an empty set to which we can later add elements. So let's define one more set here, months. And now let's clear it. Now months is an empty set. And of course we can add something to it. So now it contains one element. We use the copy method to create a shallow copy. And the copy is returned. Have a look. Here we have a set, furniture, and here we're making a copy using the copy method. And now let's remove an element from the original. So furniture, discard sofa. And let's compare the original to the copy. So furniture and furniture copy. The element removed from the original is still in the copy, so it works. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.